Welcome back to FAQ Wednesday. Today we're going to talk about dispersing effects in epoxy. Really cool, unique thing that you can do by just spraying some isopropyl alcohol mixed in with our metallic pigment. So what happens is when you spray the metallic with the isopropyl, it reacts to the surface, almost creating like a crater look or pushing it away. And when that isopropyl evaporates, it leaves the actual pigment in the resin. Super cool look. I'll kind of show you what it does. So we have some samples here of some boards. So the dispersing effect was a gold. Really cool, like spider web or cell looking effects that it left. Right here we did some effects, all these like little dots and almost some cells here and there. I think we did black in this one, and this has our matte finish top coat. That's why it looks dull. This one has our white and silver dispersing effects. Really cool look. And there's almost unlimited designs and techniques you can use with the dispersing effects. And then here is just using clear isopropyl alcohol, bigger drips, and it'll create bigger craters and more of a unique design by just using clear. Right here we did brass, and some of the colors pop a lot harder than the others. Like the brass, you can see how much more vibrant the color is versus like maybe the white or silver. So super cool technique, super easy to do. And all you need is some 91% or higher isopropyl alcohol, our metallic pigments, and then you spray that on or drip it on our epoxy resin. Hey, so we're gonna show you what it does to epoxy in real time. You guys are gonna see the dispersing effect in action. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you guys have any ideas or want to hear about any other topics, let us know. If not, we'll see you next week.